Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to split and replant some primroses into our beds that we just cleared out in another video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is, I'm just going to loosen up this soil just like so. I'm just turning it and just loosening it. So when we were unweeding, or I'm not unweeding, I'm taking all of it out. We already loosened the soil up, so the soil was quite loose. So I've got my small bag of compost here, and all I'm going to do is tip it out into the middle, and we will spread it out quickly. So I'm going to step back, and I'm just going to get my shovel that's here, and I'm just going to start smoothing it all over where we are going to be planting our primroses that we took from our lower bed. So I've got a little shovel here, not my big shovel, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and pick up where the primrose is, and I'm just going to try to dig it out as best as I can. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side, like so. And I don't want to step in it because we've got some new plants growing up, so I'm trying not to intervene with that. So so we've got that one out, so I'm just going to, because I think they're two separate ones. So we've got so this used to be one, and we split it, and we can split it again like so. So I'm just going to pull the root. Right, so now we've got 3, and we're just going to plant them in a cluster of 3. So we've already got one into place, so I'm just going to dig a hole quite near it, and then we're going to place it in, and then I'm going to firm it around. So I'm just going to dig one here, so it's going to look like a bush primrose at the end of it, and so I'm just going to dig a hole, and then so that should be deep enough. So I'm just going to take that one there, and I'm just going to recover it, making sure it's quite nice and compact. And so we'll get another cluster in quickly, and then we'll come back and show you that one. So this one isn't coming apart, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull it apart like so. And so we've got this one, and now we're just going to plant all of these now, and then we'll water. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to slam that notification bell, otherwise you won't be notified when I upload another video. But that's it for this Grow Your Imagination upload. Keep safe everyone. Bye guys.